Presented by Listen Headlines. Latest financial news from trusted sources. Updating daily noontime New York City.
Wall Street Journal Markets.
June 27, 11:12 America, New York. Credit Suisse found guilty in money laundering case tied to cocaine ring. Credit Suisse and a former employee were found guilty in a Swiss federal criminal court of helping a Bulgarian crime ring launder money related to cocaine trafficking.
Global economy.
June 27, 11 o'clock America, New York. What books should you read this summer? Listen to our Twitter discussion with FT literary editor Frederick Studeman, deputy books editor Laura Battle, and FT Weekend podcast host Lila Raptopoulos.
Wall Street Journal Markets.
June 27, 10:51 America, New York. India's Zomato bites the bullet on quick commerce. Tech firm Zomato's acquisition of instant delivery firm Blinkit is coming across as a risky bet in a tough market environment. But does Zomato have the option to wait?
Wall Street Journal U.S. Business.
June 27, 10:13 America, New York. Biotech wizard left a trail of fraud. Prosecutors allege it ended in murder. Serhat Gumrukasiu faces trial in a purported murder-for-hire plot to silence an associate who could have exposed him and derailed a drug development deal worth millions of dollars.
BBC News Business.
June 27, 10:05 America, New York. Sainsbury's pressed to join Real Living Wage scheme. Shareholders call for the supermarket to make an ongoing commitment to paying higher wages.
BBC News Business. June 27, 10:05 America, New York. Sainsbury's pressed to join Real Living Wage scheme. Shareholders call for the supermarket to make an ongoing commitment to paying higher wages.
Wall Street Journal U.S. Business.
June 27, 10:03 America, New York. GE Chairman, CEO Culp also named CEO of GE Aviation. John Slattery, who had been president and CEO of GE Aviation, will now serve as Executive Vice President and Chief Commercial Officer of the business.
Wall Street Journal Markets.
June 27, 9:28 America, New York. Crypto hedge fund 3 Arrows defaulted on loan, says broker. 3 Arrows has defaulted, failing to make loan payments tied to large bets in the digital currency realm, crypto broker Voyager Digital said. Daily FX Market News.
June 27, 9:27 America, New York. DAX, Dow and FTSE mixed as risk markets try to push higher. Hope grows that inflation is peaking. Can a recession be avoided?
New York Times Business. June 27, 9:27 America, New York. Elon Musk fuels record CEO paydays. A risky compensation plan at Tesla paid off and laid the groundwork that has pushed other executives' compensation sky high, raising the pay roof. New York Times Business.
June 27, 9:24 America, New York. What the ban on Russian gold imports means for its increasingly isolated economy. The move by the United States, Britain and others builds on steps to cut Russia off from the international financial system. United States, Britain and their allies set to ban the purchase of gold from Russia.
Wall Street Journal U.S. Business.
June 27, 9:03 America, New York. Orders for big-ticket U.S. goods rose in May. New orders for products meant to last at least 3 years increased to a seasonally adjusted $267.2 billion in May, the Commerce Department said.
Daily FX Market News. June 27, 8:50 America, New York. USD breaking news. Dollar finds support after strong durable goods release. U.S. durable goods orders for May bolstered the dollar after a slow start to the trading week.
New York Times Business.
June 27, 8:17 America, New York. Trump's social network deal under grand jury scrutiny. A federal grand jury in Manhattan has issued subpoenas regarding the merger, which is also under investigation by financial regulators. Trump Media and AMP Technology Group, which runs the startup social network Truth Social, is set to receive $1.3 billion in the deal.
BBC News Business. June 27, 7:49 America, New York. Lower energy bill plan for avoiding peak time use. Some households could get discounts for using less energy at peak times under National Grid scheme.
BBC News Business.
June 27, 7:49 America, New York. Lower energy bill plan for avoiding peak time use. Some households could get discounts for using less energy at peak times under National Grid scheme.
Global economy.
June 27, 7:31 America, New York, the new recessionary threat to global trade. A fresh concern arises, but shipping companies are investing like crazy for the long term.
Daily FX market news.
June 27, 7:10 America, New York, Euro latest, EUR, USD. EUR, JPY awaits ECB Sintra Forum. Euro testing resistance ahead of ECB Lagarde anti-fragmentation talk.
Digital finance.
June 27, 5:18 America, New York, Hong Kong regulators on crypto, same risk, same regs. Hong Kong's banking and securities regulators weigh in on stablecoins, and the city's future prospects. The post-Hong Kong regulators on crypto, same risk, same regs appeared first on digital finance.
BBC News Business.
June 27, 4:15 America, New York, Hobbycraft to open 3 new stores as profits rise. Hobbycraft sees a rise in profits in the 2022 financial year but predicts a challenging future. BBC News Business.
June 27, 4:15 America, New York, Hobbycraft to open 3 new stores as profits rise. Hobbycraft sees a rise in profits in the 2022 financial year but predicts a challenging future.